Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable townhouse na may flexible payment terms at pwede mong i-avail through bank or Pag-ibig financing? Hello kabahay! I'm Gail, your realtor tita ng Bulacan, and I would like to invite you on Saturday, January 31, 2026 between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. to join us sa aming grand open house sa Serene Town Homes. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-decide kung ano yung kukunin mong future home or future real estate investment, baka now is the time for you to make that wise decision. Because sa Serene Town Homes, it's not only affordable, it offers high-quality housing projects. When you reserve on Saturday, January 31, during our open house, you will not only get your future home, marami kaming promotions on Saturday. So one of which will be the 50,000 discount, and then you will also get a free air conditioning unit upon turnover kapag nag-reserve ka tomorrow. And then you will also get 2,000 pesos worth of coffee gift certificate when you reserve a unit from me. Kaya naman, if you are seeing this video, baka now is your time para makapag-decide and i-consider sa Serene Town Homes. So if you're interested to know more about the project, send me a message para maibigay ko sa inyo ang kompletong detalye. See you!